AB. This one is the formula. Now in place of A there is 6x, in place of B there is 1 upon 5. A square plus B square, you can write like this, minus AB. A is 6x and B is 1 upon 5. Okay? Yes, beta? Yes, beta, voice, there is voice problem? अच्छा, आवाज कट के आ रही है, but tell me beta, visuals are clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay, now beta, finally solve this one. How can you write this one? 36x square plus 25, 6 by 5x. This one is the answer. Okay?